Hey Jacob. I've heard Qwik is super fast. Can you show me how to get started?
Absolutely, Emma. In this video, we'll create a brand new Qwik application and integrate Tailwind step by step.
Awesome. So, where do we start?
We'll begin on the official Qwik website. Head to the docs and look for the installation section. Make sure Node.js and a package manager are installed. I'm using pnpm, but you can use npm, yarn, or Ubuntu.
What if someone doesn't have Node or pnpm?
Good question. I've dropped the official links in the video description. Install them first before continuing. Now let's run pnpm create Qwik at latest and follow the prompts. I'll name the project Qwik Demo.
That was fast. What's next?
Let's navigate into the project directory and run pnpm start. Your first Qwik app will be live at localhost 5173.
Whoa, it loaded so fast. Just like they promised.
Now let's spice things up. We'll add Tailwind CSS.
Yes. Tailwind makes everything prettier.
Exactly. Go back to Qwik's docs, grab the Tailwind installation command, and paste it in the terminal. After integration, we'll restart the Qwik application and check the setup in VSCode.
Can we test if Tailwind is working?
Let's do it. Add a class like TextBlue600 to the home page and refresh the browser.
Boom. It worked. Now that's quick and pretty.
Hope we explore the quick blazing fast installation in a few quick steps. Let us connect in another video. Bye.
Bye. See you soon.